Planning to travel, live or retire in Cambodia? One of the first things you need to understand is how Cambodian visas work, how to enter the country legally, the different types of visas available, and how to extend your stay without problems. Today we're talking about Cambodia, visas, e-visas, visa on arrival, and the process for extending your visa once you're in the country. Whether you're here for a holiday, long-term travel, or thinking about living in Cambodia long-term. Entering Cambodia. Visa basics. First up, most visitors to Cambodia will need a visa to enter. You can get a Cambodia e-visa online before you travel, which is one of the easiest ways to handle your entry. The tourist e-visa allows you to stay in Cambodia for up to 30 days and is valid for single entry. To apply, you'll need a passport that's valid for at least 6 months, a passport-style photo, and then you just complete the application online on the official government site. This typically takes about 3 to 5 business days to process. You can also get a visa on arrival at the international airports in Phnom Penh, Siem or Sihanoukville, and also at many of the land border crossings by presenting a passport, a photo, and paying the fee in US dollars. This is usually around about $30 or $35. Important entry requirements. Before arrival, always make sure your passport, number one, is valid for at least 6 months from the date you enter Cambodia. Number two, has at least 1 or 2 blank pages. These are needed for stamping. And make sure all the details on your visa application exactly match the details in your passport. Small mistakes can lead to delays or refusal at immigration. Types of Cambodia visas. There are a few main visa types you might use. A tourist visa, type T, or tourist e-visa, best for short visits, sightseeing or holiday travel. Ordinary, business visa, type E or E-class, good for longer stays, business activities, retirement, study or relocation. Within the ordinary or e-visa category, there are subtypes for different purposes. For example, the EB for business, ER for retirement, EG for general stay while seeking work, and ES for study stay. Extending your visa in Cambodia. Once you're inside Cambodia, you can extend your visa if you want to stay longer than the initial period. Tourist visa extension. If you entered on a tourist visa, you can extend it once for an additional 30 days before it expires. You must apply in person at a Cambodian immigration office. Most people go to the immigration department in Phnom Penh or arrange it through a local travel agent. The extension fee is usually around $30 to $50 and processing typically takes a few days. After this one extension, so you've had 60 days in total, if you want to stay even longer, you'll need to leave the country and re-enter for a new visa, usually applying at a border or online again. Ordinary or business, E-class visa extensions. If you want to stay longer, whether for business, employment, retirement, study or other reasons, the E-class visa is the way to go. This type of visa starts with a 30-day stay and can be extended multiple times and for longer periods. You can renew an e-visa for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or even 12 months at a time, depending on your situation. Some extensions, like 6 or 12-month options, can allow you multiple entries and exits, meaning you can leave and come back without needing a new visa every time. How to extend your visa? Practical steps. You have 2 main ways to extend. Number 1, via a travel agency. Most foreigners use reputable local travel agents in Siem Reap, Phnom Penh or Sihanoukville to handle their extensions. These agents submit your passport, application form, photo and fees to the Cambodian Department of Immigration and usually manage the process in the background for you. Processing typically takes a few days. Or you can also go in person to the Cambodian Immigration Department. Official offices are at the Immigration Department in Phnom Penh, close to the international airport. Requirements usually include your passport with at least 6 months validity, passport photo, completed application form, and the extension fee in cash, US dollars. Important visa rules you should know. Passport validity. Your passport must remain valid for at least 6 months beyond the start of your visa extension. If it expires too soon, your extension may not be granted. Overstay fines. If you stay past your visa extension without renewing, Cambodian authorities can impose fines or even detain and deport you. It's strongly recommended to start the extension process before your current visa expires. Single entry rules. Tourist and business e-visas are typically single entry, meaning if you leave Cambodia and want to return, you'll need a new visa unless you have a multiple entry extension. Final tips. Apply for your visa online before travel using the official e-visa portal for convenience and smoother entry. For longer stays or relocation, consider entering on an ordinary E-class visa and arranging your extensions early. Use a reputable local agency if you're not comfortable navigating immigration offices yourself. They often speed up the process. So, that's everything you need to know about Cambodia visas, from entering the country to extending your stay and choosing the right long-term option. Whether you're visiting Cambodia short-term, living in Siem Reap, working online or thinking about retiring in Cambodia, understanding the visa process makes life here a lot easier. If this video helped you, please give it a like. It really helps with YouTube's search and recommendations. And consider subscribing for more honest videos about Cambodia visas, cost of living and everyday life here. And if you'd like to support the channel, there's a Buy Me a Coffee link below. It genuinely helps keep these videos coming. Drop a comment and let me know what visa you're using or planning to apply for. I'd love to hear your experience. And everyone look very beautiful.